Assalamu alaikum, good morning. I just woke up. I'm gonna show you the update. I finally moved into my house and y'all have to excuse it because it's not organized. So this is the living room. I'm sleeping in here right now. Okay. And this is the dining room area, front door. Go through these doors right here, the double door. Hallway. Kitchen. In here, you know, I have to buy another refrigerator because I gave away the refrigerator I bought. So this is my kitchen area, my stove down here. I got two stoves. This one right here. Wait, can you see? Yeah. What? I'll go it. Where that? This one here, and this one right here. So yeah, my mangoes and stuff. Yeah, my kitchen door. Whew. I just woke up. I'm still sleepy. So, my bedroom in here. Yeah, remember everything was done what you call by hand. So this is not American standard. This is Africa standard, okay? So don't trip. As long as it serves the purpose for me. My bathroom, yep. This is my bathroom. And so, my water barrel, because of the water be going out, you know, this is another bedroom right here. Oh, I gotta unlock it all the way. All the bedrooms and bathrooms and kitchen have locks on it. So this is the other bedroom right here. And it's empty, of course, because there's no one here but me. Hey, I like to close my doors. Yeah. But anyway, this is my favorite room right here because this is why I'm in here, because I like this room and I can see the mountains and everything from up here. Let's see. Open the windows. You can see down the mountain there. Can you see down the mountain, y'all? It rained this morning. It's windy outside. Yeah. You can see down the mountain range. Open this other window. You see down the mountain there. Woo! Okay. Yeah, so they finally finished it and I moved in on the 12th. So remember, everything here is done by scratch. The people building and everything. Hand, no electronics, no machines, no nothing, just bare brute. Oh, they outside right now finishing because they got to do the upstairs. They just delivered a pile of dirt, as you can see, that truck out there. So there's an upstairs unit that they're working on. It's a 2-bedroom. It's bigger than this one, but I don't like that one. I like this one down here. Yeah. So this is the other window. Can you see out there? Over that way. Oh, back over that way. Well, anyway, I like it up here in the mountains. My spirit resonates with this house and being on top of this mountain right here. And yeah, I liked this place even before it was finished, when it was just an empty shell. It was no doors. None of this was here. This was one big old empty space with no doors, okay? Same with the windows. There was no windows in the house. There was no floors in the house. The walls was not done. The ceiling wasn't done. None of this stuff was in here, which is empty. Yep. And I loved it. I loved it the way it was, okay? And so I gave them the money to finish it because it was just an empty shell. They finally finished it. It took about a month. Let's see, September, October, November. Yeah, it took them 2 months to finish. Yeah, none of this is, oh yeah, they built this countertop by scratch. They built it by hand. Yeah, you could tell that it was done by hand. And look at here. You know, all this was built by hand. So is this thing. I don't know why they put the cabinet way up there, but I'm gonna have them to come in and remove this down. It don't make no sense, y'all. It don't add up. How in the heck I'm gonna put stuff way up yonder there? Yeah, they gotta finish all this here. Yep. But I'm in my house now. I'm here. I'm in it. And I'm glad to be here. Yeah. I love Ghana! Yay! Okay, I love you all. This is your mother, your grandmother, your great-grandmother, your friend, your sister, about to sign off, telling you I finally moved in my house after 2 months. I've given them the money to finish, and I'm satisfied with my place. Yeah, but it's not according to American standard. Remember that, though. It's according to African standards, and they couldn't bill it to American standards if you have the American money. But I ain't have no American money, right? So anyway, I love the place. Yeah, it's mine, and I appreciate it. Absolutely. Yeah. This is my house. Kitchen, living room, dining room, bathroom, bedroom, hallway, and me. Yeah. So this is me in my small 2-bedroom house. Have repatriated back home to Africa, Ghana, West Africa in particular. Yeah. But anyway, just wanted to show you all the finishing product. And then in the future, I'm going to put a little furniture, not much. Yeah, just a little furniture I'm going to put up in here.